Thank you for visiting my shop. Thank you. You have a lovely shop. How can I help you today? I'm looking for a new traditional dress. What color do you prefer? This green one looks great.
That's a very popular choice this season.
Yes.
Do you have this in a medium size? Okay.
Let me check the rack for you. I hope you still have it in stock. Yes, we have one medium left. Can I try it on, please? Sure, the fitting rooms are right there. Does it look too big on me? No, it fits your shoulders perfectly. I think I like the fabric too. It's 100% cotton, very breathable. How much does this shirt cost? It is originally $100. Is there any discount today? Yes, you get 20% off today. That's a good price. I'll take it. Would you like to see some trousers too? No thanks, just the shirt for now. No problem. Please follow me to the counter. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, of course. Okay. Payment successful. You're welcome. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again soon. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye.